Today we're diving into a collection of 5 easy and beautiful border patterns that you can create by hand. To get started, I've chosen these colorful cotton linen fabrics to showcase the patterns. For our first border, I'm using yellow fabric. I've folded the edges and secured it in my hoop. I'm marking dots 1 centimeter from the edge with 1 centimeter gaps between them. Using dark green floss, I'm stitching running stitches along the dotted line from left to right. Then I'm weaving the same thread back from right to left, creating a gentle wave effect. Remember not to pull the thread too tight during weaving. Finally, I'm adding white pistol stitches between the waves for a delicate touch. It's a fun and easy border. When weaving, you can adjust the tension of the thread to create different wave effects. Experiment to find your preferred look. Our second border features dark green fabric and pink floss. I've marked a line 1 centimeter from the edge. We'll start with a straight stitch, followed by a series of fly stitches in varying sizes, from small to large. We'll repeat this pattern, creating a unique border with a simple yet elegant effect. To add a touch of detail, I'm adding white French knots on either side of the straight stitches. This border is perfect for garments. Varying the size of your fly stitches creates a dynamic and interesting pattern. Don't be afraid to experiment with different lengths. For our third border, I'm using beige fabric and light and dark pink floss. We'll be creating a wave pattern using groups of 5 blanket stitches, varying the stitch size from small to large and back again. Then, using dark pink floss, I'm adding tiny flower plants between the large blanket stitches, using lazy daisy stitches for the petals and a French knot for the center. This creates a charming floral border. To maintain consistency, try marking the stitch lengths on your fabric before you begin. This will help you keep your stitches even. Our fourth border features light green fabric and mint green floss. I've drawn a line on the fabric to guide my stitches. We'll be using rosette chain stitch to create a continuous chain-like vine effect. This border is fantastic for adding a touch of nature-inspired detail. Then I'm weaving red floss through the chain stitches, creating a beautiful contrast. Matching your thread colors to your garment colors can create a cohesive and beautiful design. For our final border, I'm using maroon fabric and light green and light orange floss. I've marked dots and curved lines on the fabric. We'll be creating a zigzag pattern using groups of 3 blanket stitches, alternating directions. Marking your stitch placement with dots and lines helps ensure accuracy and consistency in your pattern. These patterns are perfect for beginners and offer endless possibilities for creativity. And there you have it, 5 beautiful and easy border patterns that you can create by hand. These borders can be used to embellish the edges of garments, such as sleeves, necklines, or hems. They're also perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to accessories like bags, scarves, or even home decor items like cushions or tablecloths. This border is unique and eye-catching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy stitching!